Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open Photoshop and create an artboard at 1440px width. You want a predictable layout to base decisions on. Turn on View New Guide Layout and set 12 columns so elements align. This enforces rhythm and spacing. Import brand colors and a header logo as smart objects so you can scale without loss. Once done, establish baseline text styles using character/paragraph panels. This makes typography consistent across artboards and speeds later handoff. Start by blocking and layout with rectangle shapes for header, hero, content blocks, and footer so you can visualize hierarchy. Convert repeated elements into smart objects, buttons, cards, icons, so edits propagate instantly. That saves time and keeps visual consistency. Use layer groups and name layers clearly. This helps you and developers later. Make spacing consistent. Use the grid's column width and multiply margins. This keeps rhythm and makes responsive adaptation simpler when slicing or exporting assets. Polish edges, check alignment, and set text layers to correct weights. Then export assets via export as using the appropriate formats. SVG for icons, PNG/WebP for images. Create a simple spec sheet inside the PSD. List font sizes, hex colors, and spacing so handoff is clear. If you see unexpected rendering or font issues, flatten or rasterize only the problem's smart object after saving a copy. Make sure to recheck pixel snapping and device preview to confirm fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.